friends of YouTube, happy 2020. It is Pauline Jo back again for another video. This is my first video of 2020. I knew that I had to recover from the expenses of the holidays, so I only have the IPSY Glam Bag, the original. So opening it up, the first thing I got is obviously the bag as per usual. The marbly kind of pattern, which I think is so cute. The first product on this card is this Luxie Beauty 560 Medium Fan Flawless Brush. Just a close-up. I don't want to take it out of the packaging, but just a close-up, like a hand comparison. This brush is a very thin brush. I've seen other fan brushes and they've been thicker, so I found that really interesting. The sole purpose of this brush is really just to highlight the highest parts of your cheekbones. The next product is the mineral lipstick in the color Envy, and it is by the brand Bella Pierre Cosmetics, but it does look really nice from what I saw on the internet. Interestingly, when I get this packaging, it reminds me of like the Revlon packaging. I would describe this color as like a mix of a berry and like a medium toned red. And just kind of judging by how the lipstick looks, it looks like it might give you like a matte or satin finish. The next product on this list is the Hangover Replenishing Face Primer by the brand Too Faced. I actually haven't tried a lot of Too Faced products. It looks like it's good for cold weather, dry air, as well as party season. And that it says that it's hydrating as well as it is coconut milk. It is infused with coconut milk. Sounds like they're trying to say that, after you had like a night of drinking or you just are really dry on your skin, that you need to bring back the moisture as well as the radiance. I will say, even though this is supposed to be a sample size, I was surprised that it was this small. So the coconut smell is very faint, which is fine because I'm not a big fan of coconut. I tried a primer by the brand First Aid Beauty that was also hydrating, and I feel like that one might be a little bit more hydrating than this. I think that I might just bring this for travel. Hello. So the next product here is the Glow Recipe Blueberry Bounce Blueberry. The Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser by Glow Recipe. I had to read that twice because I was like, blueberry. Anywho, it says that it's a 3-in-1 cleanser packed with antioxidant-rich blueberry, and it can use as a makeup remover, daily wash, or clarifying mask. I've heard nothing but good things about Glow Recipe, except for the fact that it is a bit on the pricier side. Okay, so it comes out clear. That smells really fresh. I want to say the selling point with Glow Recipe is the fact that it's supposed to be like all organic and like fruity. As I always say on my channel, I don't want to open up eyeliner or mascara, as once you open it, you only have 3 to 6 months. If you guys are able to see this little thing right here, it's almost like a jar and then it has like a number and an M. That means the amount of months that you can have it for before they recommend to toss it out. This one says 6M, which would mean 6 months. So I really appreciate that about that IPSY does give out. With that logic, I like to use my eyeliners one by one as well as my mascaras. That way, for me, I'm spending my money wisely on makeup.